Sarah, do you remember when we used to come to this park every weekend?
Yeah, Dad. We used to play on the swings for hours.
Those were good times, weren't they? How's school going?
It's okay. Math is hard, though.
Math can be tough, but you're smart. I can help you with it if you want.
Thanks, Dad. That would be great.
I'm always here to help you, Sarah. You can tell me anything.
Dad, why do birds sing?
Birds sing because they're happy. Just like when you sing when you're happy.
I like when you sing, Dad.
And I like hearing you laugh, Sarah. It makes my day brighter.
Dad, can we get ice cream?
Sure, why not? Let's go.
Dad, why is the sky blue?
They walked to the ice cream stand. The sky is blue because of how the sunlight interacts with our atmosphere.
That's cool. I'm learning about space in school.
Space is amazing. Maybe one day you'll explore it.
Will you come with me, Dad?
I'd love to, Sarah. But for now, let's enjoy our ice cream together.
Dad, I love you.
I love you too, Sarah.